Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm going to reveal the ancient, mystical, and totally not intimidating art of making sourdough bread. Spoiler alert, it's mostly waiting around and occasionally poking dough. Step 1, the starter. This is basically your dough's pet. You feed it, you talk to it, you might even name it. To make a starter, mix equal parts flour and water. Let it sit out on the counter for a few days and watch the bubbly magic happen. It's alive, and no, you don't need to worry about it taking over your kitchen. Next up, let's make the dough. Take some of that bubbly starter, about a cup, and mix it with flour, water, and a pinch of salt. Now you're thinking, that's it? Yep, that's it. But oh boy, the fun's just getting started. Kneading time. Think of it as a mini workout. You're going to stretch and fold this dough like it's your new stress ball. Do this for about 10-15 minutes. Or, until your arms feel like noodles. Once it's all kneaded, let it rest. And I mean really rest like overnight. This is the part where you get to sit back, relax, and dream about that fresh bread smell. Can you smell it already? In the morning, it's time to shape your dough. Gently, and I mean gently, coax it into a loaf shape. Imagine you're cradling a baby bunny. Then let it rise again for a few hours. Yes, more waiting. I told you, sourdough is all about patience. Now, preheat your oven to a scorching 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop your dough into a Dutch oven or on a baking stone. And here's the secret. Add some steam by placing a pan of water in the oven. This gives your bread that crispy crust we all adore. Bake for about 30-40 minutes. But keep an eye on it. Your nose will tell you when it's done. And trust me, your house will smell like a bakery. Once it's done, let it cool. Resist the urge to slice it immediately. I know it's torture, but if you cut into it too soon, you'll end up with a gummy mess. And there you have it, your very own homemade sourdough bread. Give yourself a pat on the back. You just made bread like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share your sourdough adventures with me. Until next time, happy baking!